Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dynamic text overlay on CapCut PC. So go to the text section here and add in your text. It's going to wait for this to load a little bit. And I'm just going to type in cars. You can type in anything you want, obviously. And I'm also going to select a bold font. Then I'm going to go to stock videos. Sorry, I'm going to go to the background and stock materials. I'll add this black screen. I'm going to freeze frame it so that I can adjust it till the end of the video. And I'm going to select this, export still frame, and then make sure you import to project. Select the overlay and place it here. At the end, you're going to want to add a keyframe. And then here, you're going to zoom it in to like 2200. And you're going to move it like this. Then you're going to select show keyframe animation. And you're going to select the ease out one, or was it ease in? Okay, sorry, it was ease in one. Then after that, you are going to hide the keyframe animation, select the overlay here, and you're going to go to the blend mode section and you're going to select darken. Select this, go to animation, and you're going to select zoom 1 for the in animation, if I can just find it. Zoom 1. I guess you could also use zoom 2. I just can't find zoom 1 right now. I just used it. Hold on. Okay, I can't find it, so we're just going to use zoom 2. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Go to effects and type in shake. It's in nightclub, and add in, where is shake 2? Okay, add in shake 2. Add it to the whole video. Select the, oh, can I not edit that? Which one can I, okay, I can edit this one. So add shake 2 and make the range to around 10. And that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!